Are you a fresher or early career AI/ML engineer looking for a high paying tech job in Bangalore? This opportunity could change your career. A leading organization is hiring software engineer AIML on a 6-month fixed term contract. This is a full time role based in Bangalore, India. Job location is Bangalore, India, and the last date to apply is 17th March 2026. All working days must be carried out in India. As a software engineer, you will build secure, high performance AI driven solutions, work with feature teams, design and deploy ML models, integrate APIs, and stay updated with the latest AI and GenAI trends. Candidates should have 0 to 1 year experience in AIML with strong knowledge of Python, NLP, deep learning, GenAI, LLMs, and RAG. AWS Experience is a big plus. B.Tech or M.Tech candidates are eligible. Important. You must mention your GitHub ID score along with your name, otherwise, your application will be rejected. This role offers hands on AI exposure, real world projects, strong learning opportunities, and excellent career growth. If this job matches your profile, apply immediately. Like, share, and subscribe for daily tech job updates.